Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out. If you have a Bosch brand oven and you're getting an error E302 and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? So first of all, with many errors like this is sensing an error somewhere, and the error could be what it sees or with the sensors and with the control board. So basically this E302 error is that it thinks that the fan in the oven is fried and you need to replace the fan. So this could be one of two things. It could be that your fan is fried and you need to replace the fan, or something within the electronics, the sensors, the control board, something like that is not functioning properly. And before you start replacing the fan, start replacing all this stuff, the first thing to do is just to do a hard reset on the machine to see if that clears out the error. To do that, you just need to disconnect it from power for a full minute. So either unplug it from the wall if it's plugged into the wall, or if it's hardwired, just go to the circuit box, turn it off at the circuit, leave it off for a full minute, and then turn it back on. And that should clear out the error. However, it might come back. And again, so then you'll just need to, if it comes back at that point, then it's probably going to need to have the fan replaced. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.